everyone. Welcome to Hans Laser. I will be taking you on a virtual tour of our beautiful campus. Together, we will start a discovery tour of laser intelligent manufacturing. Let's go. Hans Laser is a globally renowned high-end laser equipment manufacturer. For over 24 years, we have focused on the laser industry, striving to be bigger and stronger. With over 9.7 million square feet of modern production campus and 13,000 employees, with over 3,900 focused on research and development. Over 4,000 patents granted to Hans Laser, more than 200 sales and service points set up all over the world. Hans Laser North America is in Dallas, Texas, with the branch office in San Jose, California, and dealer service partner in Minnesota. Hans Laser Smart Equipment Group, wholly owned subsidiary of Hans Laser Group, is a vertical integration laser machine provider committed to high-power laser cutting, welding, industrial additive manufacturing, and automation. Let's get started with our Experience Center. On the left side is our Technical and Laser Cutting Demonstration Center. And the right side is the Standard Assembly Workshop for customized machine. Now you are watching our fiber laser cutting machine, a world-renowned product in the manufacturing industry, power ranging from 3 kilowatts to 20 kilowatts, a powerful tool for metal sheet cutting. The maximum cutting thickness can reach 3 inches. Let's move to the fully automatic tube laser machine. A featured product for round and square tube processing, we can also cut complex channel steel and I-beam. There are 3 parts of the machine. Bundle loading at the beginning, then goes to the laser cutting area, and finally the unloading. This product is widely used in manufacturing of fitness equipment, kitchenware, medical equipment, and others. Here, you can see 3D robotic laser cutting machine with 3D 5-axis capability for flexible 3D curved processing of complex workpieces. Here is our fully automatic load-unload system with storage tower. It can work together with 3 or 4 2D laser cutting machines at the same time. Makes fully automation and unattended production possible at your factory. Hans Laser offers not only laser cutting solutions, but automotive part welding solutions. With world-leading high-power laser welding technology, many projects are the world's first. The laser welding workstations, Taylor Welding production lines, are installed in First Auto Work, a Shanghai automotive industry corporation, Dongfeng, BYD, and other auto OEMs. Our self-developed fiber laser talented R&D team gathers experts from Hans Laser, Hans TCS, Core Active in Canada. We have many years of experience in fiber laser development that has achieved the National Scientific and Technological Award. Hans Laser Smart Control provides a full set of smart CNC control solutions, including industrial software and visual system to promote highly intelligent and information-based mechanical equipment. Our R&D department masters the core technology of functional components, forming a series of products such as cutting heads, welding heads, cleaning heads. We are also certified with the EU CE certification, effectively improving the competitiveness of laser equipment. Our production workshops all adopt the 7S management mode, which is rigorous, clean, and efficient. We will use the cutting-edge technology of 5G industrial internet to build digital smart factories for effective coordination and efficient operation. Hans Laser invested $61 million to build a world-class machining center with more than 200 top brand CNC machines and testing devices with a strict quality management and complete packing and shipping process that has been carried out on site to ensure the delivery of high-quality Hans equipment. Hans' global footprint has an unsurpassed service network, constantly providing customers with on-demand technical support, service, and spare parts deliveries. Hans Laser Smart Equipment Group is a service-oriented and customer-centrist company, comprehensively promoting a standardization strategy and intelligent factory strategy, enabling industrial upgrading and creating higher value for global users.